Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, wheel locks, remote engine start, running boards, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.